Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera und guten Morgen. Ladies and gentlemen, teachers' practices are crucial for understanding and improving educational processes. They are closely linked to teachers' beliefs, practices, and the strategies for coping with daily challenges they face in life. So, teachers shape students' learning environment, and in a way, teachers always influence the motivation of students and also the achievement of the students. Furthermore, teaching is not only a job, but it is a way of life. It is a noble task one can ever be entrusted with. Teachers educate generations of learners, and in their hands lay the fate of any nation. The question is, which practices are needed in order for us to be labeled an effective teacher? So I am going to share my experiences as a 4-year teacher training in IPG KBA and also in University of Malaya. So, and which methods, techniques, strategies, and also approach that has been exposed to me. The first practice would be maintaining good relationship of teacher and students, especially communication skills. Frequent teacher-student contact in and out of classroom is one of the crucial factor in student motivation and involvement. A successful teacher is one that is able to build a rapport with students, one that can easily connect with his or her students and feels their need as individuals. My first German lecturer was the first one who showed me the importance of having this good relationship and also good rapport with students. So back in 2008, in my foundation year, I was the last person to enter German cohort 2. So the other 40 members of the German cohort 2 had learned German for about 1.5 months, and even some of them have basic German since they were studying in the secondary school. So I was demotivated. What my lecturer did, she had a one-to-one session with me for 1 whole week. So that's initiative. Not everybody can do that. So I was quite shy with somebody I just met. So I tend to build this wall between me and the lecturer. So what she did, she get close to me and approached me so that we can get close. So the wall between us will be broken. So she put an effort to know me better. I remembered I almost gave up and wanted to quit. I went to the toilet and cried because I was the only one who failed the first German test. So she came to the toilet and brought me back to class. And she told me to later meet her after the class. So she said, if you quit now, you'll be a quitter. But if you stay, you'll be a winner. So what makes you... So what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. The little that she said made an impact, and even until now. So that shows how a teacher can motivate his or her students. And I like the teacher who give us something to take home, to think about, but not only homeworks. So this lecturer did this, and I think that's the practice that every teacher should apply in their teaching in classroom. So the second practice is to encourage interaction and collaboration. Learning is enhanced when it is more like a team effort than a solo race. Good learning is just like a good work. It's collaborative and social, not individual, not competitive and isolate. That doesn't mean that competition is unhealthy. No, a little competition could be healthy though. But in some circumstances, teamwork is what matters in building student soft skills. As an example, working with others often increases involvement in learning. And plus, sharing one's ideas and responding to others improves thinking and deepens understanding. Based on my experiences, my lecturers both in IPG KBA and also University of Malaya always encourage the students to ask questions of each other, to react to each other's inquiries, or to just react to and respond to each other's opinions. So I find that learning in this two-way communication between student and teacher and also students and students is a far more interactive way of learning. It is not boring because discussion is an example of interactive learning. It triggers the way of thinking and also presenting ideas. Students learn how to think out of the box and they tend to think creatively. Besides, discussions always lead to a better result. A discussion initiates a high-order thinking skills. When the students are allowed to discuss among themselves, they can express their own ideas in their very own ways. So what my lecturer did was, they might give us some 2 or 3 minutes to think on our own and jot down any notes regarding the question or topic given, and then uh, they will assign us into pairs or groups so that we can exchange our ideas. So, ladies and gentlemen, the last point I would share today is the next practice that I find very interesting and good for teacher to apply in the classroom. It is using interesting and varied teaching techniques. Many roads lead to learning. Different students bring different styles and talents into the classroom. Teacher must appreciate the unique difference of the students. They need space and opportunities to show their talents and to learn in the way that best work for them. Besides, there is nothing as challenging as getting students' interest and holding their attention. As we know, the students nowadays are not like the students 10 years back. So they are exposed to the technology at very young age. They already have all these gadgets, you name it, iPads, laptops, smartphones, all of that. That's why if we as a teacher, we do not know how to vary our teaching techniques, then some students might find our teaching boring. I'm not saying that traditional method like talk and chalk is irrelevant. No, talk and chalk, as example, can still be used until today. I'm just saying that as a teacher, we should be creative in order to gain our students' interest to the topic in the classroom. So there is a saying, a good teacher is like a good entertainer. First, he must hold his audience attention, then he can teach his lesson. So that's why we need to be creative so that we can meet the students' expectations and also their different, so that we can cater the different level of grades, achievement, and also maybe social and language backgrounds. So no matter what the teacher's beliefs, practice, or attitudes, it is always important to be flexible and adapt to the students' background. What my lecturers did, they promote interesting activities such as role play. One of my lecturers said, teachers are clowns in the classroom. So teachers are the actors, teachers are the actresses. So teaching about, as example, traveling. Teacher enters the classroom, act as a traveler, and approach the student in a different way, but it is interesting so that the student will, it will trigger the prior knowledge of the student without any difficulties, and in another way the students can learn in a fun way. So another example would be games, quiz, and also using of technology and multimedia resources. And I've been exposed to these approaches during my study years. So I've applied the above mentioned practices and strategies during my 12 weeks practicum in Sekolah Menengah Sains Rambau with great success, and I would definitely use these kind of approaches in the future. But my greatest concern would be, will I be able to get the right opportunity to contribute my knowledge, my experiences, my skills, and my trainings? I've been well trained for German language. Will I be given a chance to teach German in school? So, dear audience, I also think it is a great loss if the international languages programs are not continued, because IPG-KBA has sufficient expertise to continue producing international languages teachers in the future. And I believe, just exactly like the quote stated by Sir William Arthur Ward, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, but the great teacher inspires. So teachers, let's strive and be the great teacher. With this, I end my speech.
Thank you. We have come to the end of this session, and we heard that different experiences from 4 special panelists. And I believe there is a very bright light at the end of tunnel. The future of our nation, foreign language education will be further enhanced with the continuous support of the Ministry of Education, and the current education system will further support its growth and development of human capital recognized globally. And then after this, we will be hearing more opinions and views of foreign language education, policies, practices, and sustainability from more distinguished panelists in the following sessions. I'm Muhammad Ghazalita. I would like to thank you for your utmost attention, and I apologize for any shortcomings during this session. Once again, please put our hands together to give our 4 lovely panelists a very heartwarming thanks. And with this, I hand over the session back to our very ideal and charming MCs, couples today, Mr. S. Murthy and Ms. Zalina. Thank you very much. Minasan go seicho, domo arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Merci. Thank you.
なければ飛び立てません。私の体は大きいですから。
ああ、暑い。ずいぶん待ったな。風のお姉ちゃん、早く来い。
といううちにまぶたがどんどん重くなって眠ってしまいました。いつの間にか急に涼しくなって体も軽く感じました。目を覚ますと自分が空を飛んでいます。わあ、嬉しい。もっともっと高くまで飛びたい。山のおじいさんを越えたい。でもどんなに頑張っても。
おや、今日も来たのかい。どうしてそんなに悲しそうな顔なんだ。
あ、山のおじいさん、こんにちは。私はおじいさんより高く飛びたい。でも。
そうか、じゃあ助けてあげようか。
ほんとよかった。山のおじいさんがローラー屋のようにふーっと風を送ってくれました。私は
ありがとう。
と言いながらその風に乗って舞い上がりました。わあ、嬉しい。もっともっと高くまで飛びたい。雲のおばあちゃんのところまで行きたい。でもどんなに頑張っても。わあ、ここまで来るなんてすごいね。でもどうしてそんなに悲しそうな顔。
ああ、ファムの皆さん、こんにちは。私はクマのおばあちゃんのところまで行きたい。
でも
そうか、じゃあ助けてあげようか。
カモさんの群れは輪になって翼で扇風機のようにブーンと強い風を送ってくれました。私は
ありがとう。
と言いながらその風に乗って舞い上がりました。わあ、嬉しい。もっともっと高くまで飛びたい。太陽の王様のところまで行きたい。でもどんなに頑張っても。
まあ、ここまで来るなんて偉いね。でもどうしてそんなに悲しそうな顔なの。ああ、雲のおばあちゃん、こんにちは。私は太陽の王様のところまで行きたい。
でも
そうか、じゃあ助けてあげようか。
雲のおばあさんは洗濯機のように私をくるくる回してビューンと風を送ってくれました。私は
ありがとう。
と言いながらその風に乗って舞い上がりました。風が強すぎて前が全然見えませんでした。突然
ガシャ
大きいうちの窓ガラスを突き破って巨人の顔の上に横たわっていました。巨人はとても怒っています。
ここで何をやってるんだい。
ああ、巨人のお兄さん、こんにちは。私は太陽の王様のところまで行きたい。でもはっはっは、お前は太陽の王様に絶対会えないよ。今不法侵入の罰として私の奴隷として働け。ごめんなさい。私を解放してお願いします。それはダメだ。さっさと掃除を始めろ。私が目を覚ました時にはうちがもうきれいになっているように。早く行け。掃除をしていると遠くの影穴から明かりが見えました。影穴から覗き見をするとなんと太陽の王様が閉じ込められているようです。
しかし
部屋は鍵がかけられているから開けられません。太陽の王様と話す唯一の方法は鍵穴だけです。
太陽の王様、何があったのですか。どうしてこの部屋に。
私は巨人に捕まえられたのだ。彼は私のエネルギーを使って世界を支配したらしい。なんてこと。巨人はなんでそんな残 残酷なことするの？心配しないで、なんか考えますから。
ありがとうタコさん。一つ教えよう。私の体はあまりにも熱いから、私に近づいたら絶対死ぬから。
はい、わかりました。
と言いながら、巨人が首にネックレスのように鍵をかけていることを思い出しました。
その鍵を盗んで太陽の王様を助けよう。
でも盗んだ鍵でドアを開けたとき、巨人が目を覚ましてしまいました。巨人は急いでドアを閉めようとしましたが、タコさんは巨人の部屋に押し入れました。巨人が逃げないようにタコさんと一緒に部屋に入りました。
どうして一緒に部屋にいるのだ？早く出て行け。
太陽の王様が言いました。
いいです、世界のためだから。
やがて太陽の熱で巨人もタコ